Chapter 1. A Family Gathering. The sun shone brightly over a picturesque countryside. A warm breeze rustled the leaves on the trees as birds chirped happily. In a quaint little house, the Smith family was preparing for a special gathering. Meet the Smiths, a loving family residing in the idyllic town of Meadowville. Mr. Smith, a tall and jovial man in his 40s, was busily setting up the grill in the backyard. He had a knack for grilling the juiciest steaks in town. Mrs. Smith, an elegant lady with a warm smile, was arranging colorful flowers in the garden. Their two children, Lily and Jake, were buzzing with excitement. Lily, an 8-year-old with sparkling blue eyes and a contagious giggle, was helping her mother arrange flowers. She had a passion for gardening and loved caring for the vibrant blossoms. Jake, a 12-year-old with messy brown hair and a mischievous grin, was assisting his father with the grill. He had a keen interest in cooking and always wanted to learn from his dad.
Dad, can I flip the burgers this time?
Jake asked eagerly. Mr. Smith chuckled, ruffling Jake's hair.
Sure thing, buddy. Just be careful.
As the family gathered around the grill, the mouth-watering aroma of sizzling burgers filled the air. The Smiths spoke in English, their native language. Jake reminisced, flipping a burger with precision.
Mom, do you remember the time when we went on that camping trip?
Mrs. Smith smiled warmly.
Of course, dear. It was such an adventure. We hiked through the forest, sang songs by the campfire, and even spotted a family of deer.
Lily chimed in, her eyes sparkling with excitement.
And remember, Dad, when we went fishing by the lake?
Mr. Smith nodded, a nostalgic look in his eyes.
That was a great day. We caught some big fish, didn't we?
The Smiths continued to share stories and laughter as they enjoyed their delicious meal together. The sun began to set, casting a warm glow over their family gathering. Chapter 2. A Day at the Park. The following weekend, the Smiths decided to spend a fun day at the local park. They arrived at the park, a vibrant and bustling place filled with families enjoying their weekend.
Mom, can we have a picnic by the lake?
Lily asked, her eyes shining with excitement. Mrs. Smith nodded, her face radiant with joy.
Of course, sweetheart. Let's find a cozy spot.
The family spread out a checkered blanket by the serene lake. Mr. Smith unpacked a basket filled with sandwiches, fruits, and refreshing lemonade. As they enjoyed their picnic, they noticed a group of children playing near them. The Smiths decided to strike up a conversation.
Hi there, my name is Mr. Smith, and this is my wife, Mrs. Smith. These are our kids, Jake and Lily.
Mr. Smith introduced, extending a friendly hand. The children, who were practicing their English, smiled and introduced themselves. They were from different backgrounds, and their families had recently moved to Meadowville. The Smiths and the new friends spent the day playing games, sharing stories, and practicing their English together. It was a delightful day, filled with laughter and new friendships. Chapter 3. Cultural Exchange. In the weeks that followed, the Smiths continued to interact with their new friends from the park. They decided to organize a cultural exchange day. On a sunny Saturday morning, the Smiths welcomed their friends to their home.
Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to learn about each other's cultures and practice our English.
Mrs. Smith announced with enthusiasm. The children eagerly shared their favorite dishes, music, and traditions. They tasted delicious international cuisines and danced to the rhythm of different songs. As the day came to an end, the children sat in a circle, reflecting on their wonderful time together.
I had so much fun today, learning about your cultures and practicing English.
Jake said, a genuine smile on his face.
Me too. It's amazing how we can connect and make new friends.
Lily added, nodding in agreement. The Smiths and their new friends exchanged contact information, promising to meet again soon for more adventures. Chapter 4. A Global Friendship. Months passed, and the Smiths' bond with their friends grew stronger. They embarked on a remarkable journey of friendship and cultural exchange. Together, they explored the town, visited museums, and even organized a multicultural festival to celebrate their diverse backgrounds. As the Smiths and their friends stood on a stage at the festival, addressing the crowd in English, they realized the power of friendship and the beauty of learning about different cultures.
No matter where we come from, our hearts can connect through kindness, understanding, and the love of learning.
Mr. Smith proclaimed, his voice filled with pride. The crowd cheered, and the Smiths and their friends knew that they had created something special, a global friendship that would last a lifetime. And so, the Smiths' journey of learning and growing continued, proving that language, culture, and friendship had no boundaries.